Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. While the business space has seen an increase in women entrepreneurs, there's a view that more can be done to create opportunities for those seeking to expand. We spoke with a few female business leaders at the Manchester Business Expo.
Growing up as a child, most of my years, it was mainly men dominating the business industry. But now you have realized that women are kind of expanding a little bit more and they're becoming more self-sufficient.
And these business women from Manchester were more than happy for a platform to showcase their offerings. Social media aside, opportunities like these are few and far between, particularly for women with small to medium-sized businesses in rural parishes. It's the Made in Manchester Business Expo, and the organizers say they are encouraged by the diversity of female-led businesses in the parish.
Normally over the years, what we had was like 100% product base. Now today we had virtual assistants, persons in that industry. We had persons in pest control or family-owned pest control business. We have persons who are in legal, paralegal services, and a few more businesses that were here today. We even had somebody who is an author. She's an educator and she has authored 6 books in a year.
But it hasn't been smooth sailing for some in male-dominated spaces. Jadia Wilson is a visual artist and art educator.
I think women have a slight disadvantage. Like they're not taken as seriously as men. If a man is doing something, like I do photography, right? You mostly see male photographers instead of females. So with art, they're mostly male artists are more known.
Still, these women say they are not deterred, and when dealing with male clients,
Sometimes you might pop a little smirk or laugh and they may take it the wrong way. So you have to be very assertive even when you're trying to be polite and friendly.
So as the business landscape evolves, more women continue to earn their space at the top, running successful companies. Those who participated in the Made in Manchester Expo say all they now want is for equal opportunities to grow and sustain their business. For the Business Day, I'm Sandy Williams.
Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $155.19. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.98. $194.24 is the average rate for the pound, while the euro is going for $169.55. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 136 points today, while the junior market declined by 62 points. Among the 39 winners, G West Corporation, Jetcon Corporation, Epley, General Accident Insurance Company, and Honey Bun. The 61 losers were led by Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Spurtree Spices Jamaica, ISP Finance Services, and Key Insurance Company. 14 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.